my friends. So soon we are planning to do one CME session, rather 12 session, and myself and Urbi are going to share our experience. So many acute pathological cases I am handling, so idea came, Urbi does a fantastic case taking and she gives me the cases, one after another new cases I am doing, patients are doing fine. So we just thought, same thing we can share what we are doing it at practice. Whole idea is, unless practical knowledge is conveyed and our dear friends and students are master of these practical cases, how to handle these pathological cases, we cannot score. Various methods are there, how to apply them in pathological cases, whether to follow sensation, intercurrent, miasmatic, drainage remedy, acute remedy, specific remedy, how to handle the situation. Now, what is the objective? For example, in cancer cases also there are other various morbid symptoms, other various pathology, other various emotions we need to handle. And other problem, if we handle that, score that, automatically patient develops trust, relative develop trust, and it becomes very interesting. And how to manage the whole situation. Collaboration with the allopath is very important. For example, allied symptoms, how to handle, especially in cancer cases, pathological cases, is very important. And same pathology also can be with various disease, how to DD, how to do differential diagnosis of the same particular disease, but how to differentiate it, one remedy from the another with practical experience. That is very important. In this case, just one remedy, wait and watch, will not work. When to change of characteristic symptom indicates change of remedy. So how to pick up what is very peculiar symptom, which symptoms to repertorize in acute pathology, that we'll do and share. And out of everything, as I said, why with Urbi I am doing, detailed case taking, and from that what is important, what to pick up, that we are going to share. Thank you so much.